This is how you make cornbread. And cornbread is something that my husband had actually taught me while I was, when I just arrived here in the US in 1987. First, you're gonna use cornmeal mix, the self-rising kind. It's this kind. And I like the white one better than the yellow one. And then you're gonna put milk. So if I put like 2 cups of cornmeal, it seems like I also need to put about 2 cups, a little bit extra of milk. And then we put little vanilla, and vanilla it's gonna make it really smell good and taste good. And I put a little oil. I don't know, I don't measure it. I'll just put a little bit of oil so that it will make it seems to I guess the texture. I don't really know what the purpose of it, but I know that you have to put a little bit of it. And I put some salt. And what I do with salt, I don't measure it. I just like put it all the way around. And I guess that's what I do a lot in the cooking anymore, is I just estimate it. And you mix it up all very well like this. I already mentioned 1 egg, right? When I first learned, I really wanted to do 2 eggs, but when I do 2 eggs, it's not as good as it should be. So try to refrain yourself from putting 2 eggs. Only one egg would be good. And then once you finish mixing this up, it's almost like it needs a little bit more, because I always remember that if it's pourable like you do on pancakes, then it's the best. So I put a little bit of milk on that, and then it's a little bit better. It's not as hard looking, and you can actually pour it in. And what I do is, with a skillet, you have to heat it up and make sure that you put oil in the skillet. Usually I use iron skillet, and when you do that, then you will heat up the oil. It will prevent it from sticking. So that's what you do.